Hi, it's Kay here, and I'm really excited to announce a brand new online workshop that is absolutely free to anybody who wants to join me. Now, the workshop's called Mastering Online Courses, and it's on Tuesday, November the 30th at 9 a.m. Brisbane, which is Australian Eastern Standard Time. And I have got a list of the other times for people all over the world to join us with this course. Now, this course is for you if you are thinking about doing an online course, you want to do an online course but you don't know where to start, you want to get in on the action of online courses because you know that it is a way to make more money, to get yourself out there, to get yourself known. Any of these options means that this online workshop is for you. It's called Mastering Online Courses, and in it I will share my expertise from over 30 years of creating online courses, and yes, I have been doing it for that long. Things have changed a lot, so I'm going to cover a lot of information in the hour. It is an hour long so that I can cover a lot of information. So link is below. Join us, and I cannot wait to see you there. Online, Mastering Online Courses on Tuesday, November the 30th, 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Other times are below, and if you register, then you'll also get access to the replay. So bring your pen and paper, bring your enthusiasm, bring your questions, and if you've got any questions that you'd like me to answer during the online workshop, then post below. Now, this workshop is live. It is not a recorded webinar, video, whatever. I'm going to be there live so that if you've got questions, I can answer them live. So tune in, enroll, let me know if you've got any other comments, and I can't wait to see you face to face in the workshop. See you there. Bye.